What's happening, my fellow artistes? Welcome back. It's another Tip Off Tuesday. Now this week, I want to show you guys how to draw your pieces in sections so that you don't get overwhelmed. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up the video of the giant panda that I drew last week. So before I pull up this art that I'm gonna use to show you guys this concept, first let me explain its importance. Now, drawing in sections allows you to pick up key details in your reference image. And because you've already decided that this specific section is all that you're going to be focusing on in this particular drawing session, you can get extremely detailed because you're going to take the time to channel that focus and detail small sections across your image. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm starting with the ear, just the ear. And what this is doing is this is allowing me to get extremely detailed without overlooking or missing any key details that I want to cover. So you might also notice that I'm starting from top to bottom and left to right. And the reason why is because I'm a right-handed artist. So what this allows me to do is it keeps me from putting my hand over charcoal that I've already laid down and smearing it on accident. Basically, sectional drawing holds the same core principles as the grid method. So for those of you that don't know, the grid method allows you to focus on squares one section at a time to allot for not only proper proportions, but maximized detail. I mean, sectional drawing is very much the exact same type of thing, just without the grid pattern. So guys, that is why drawing in sections is beneficial for your art. That is it. That is all I got for you guys this week. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys dig what we're building here at Messer Creations, I encourage you to like and subscribe, hit that little bell, ding, so you guys can be notified when our newest videos come out. My name is Braden. You guys have just been tipped off. We hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.